Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sunita and today I am just going to present the topic questionnaire design. This topic is very important about the research methodology. This topic I am going to start by what is questionnaire and as per the need of questionnaire, that is a set of questionnaire designed to generate the statistical information for a specific demographic need to accomplish the research objective. In the questionnaire design, we divide in a two part. Part 1 is a demographic and part 2 is a scaling based questionnaire. Then after that I would like to describe about what are the purpose of the questionnaire. The first is that with the help of questionnaire purpose, we work on the speed and accuracy of recording, facilitate data processing, allow the researcher to collect the relevant information necessary to address the management decision problem. Then with the help of these all kind of working, we work on the standardization, comparability of data across interview. Everyone is discuss about the same question in different views also. Then I will discuss about the criteria of the consideration. When we work on the questionnaire, so we have to understand about the respondent views, discuss about the needed information and discuss about the editing, coding and data processing requirement. Then after that I discuss about the designing the questionnaire. First of all, we have to understand the questions which we have to required in the questionnaire. Then we decide the wording of the questions. All wording of the question should be very easy, because if the wordings are very hard, then respondent will not be able to understand. When they will not be able to understand, then again they will not be able to give the proper response. Then after that we have to decide what should be the sequence layout of the question. Then we have to understand the sample and test of the question, because without test and sample again we will not be able to develop the questionnaire. Then we have to understand, correct the problems if we are doing any kind of mistake. We have to focus on the content, sequence, layout and wording, and this is a very important part of the questionnaire design. After that we have to understand and we have to analyze the 5 things which is very important. All questions should be relevant, all questions should be accurate. Respondent, they have to understand the required information. This respondent, they have to analyze and they should be able to interpret the question correctly. Then respondent, they have to give the proper information also. Then generally we understand that which kind of question we should ask. We can ask two kind of questions. One is an open-ended, second is a closed-ended question. Because open-ended question, they give the proper response about the content analysis. In a closed-ended question, they give the feedback about the scaling analysis and XYZs also. There are the multiple advantages and disadvantages of open-ended questions also. Number of respondents, they give the proper feedback, and number of respondents, they try to skip that question because they realize that there is no need to write anything about these kind of questions. Closed-ended questions, these are very important thing, and they play very important role in the questionnaire. The reason is that they have to give the proper feedback about that particular thing. That is very easy to understand, that required very less time and very less effort to the researchers also. Plus that is very easy to work on the tabulation. Then again, meanwhile closed-ended questions also, they have some kind of advantage and disadvantage. In a questionnaire, second part is very important, that is the types of scale. We use like this nominal, ordinal and the interval kind of questions, and the scaling methods also like is 5-point Likert, 7-point Likert. And with the help of these all kind of questions, we prepare the questionnaire. Questionnaire we divide broadly in a two parts. One is a demographic, second is a scaling based question. Like I choose the example of banking and banking customer satisfaction. So I would like to take the demographic information with the help of name, age, gender, then occupation, income. And in a scaling data based question, we would like to prepare all scales which are based on the bank service provided. Thank you so much.